If you're serious about making money online, start Turnkey Flow today. Hey friend, listen closely for a second because what I'm about to share might be the moment everything shifts for you. If you've been watching content, researching, thinking about starting an online income stream to supplement or replace your current income, this video is for you. It's your wake-up call. I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to show you what's working, what's smart, what's simple, and what's getting everyday people real momentum right now. And that path is Turnkey Flow. Today I'm breaking down the why, the what, and the how. And if at any point this feels like, yep, this is the move, then trust yourself and go for it. Payment plans are available. Don't let a temporary money worry block a bigger money solution. Let's get into it. Before we talk about Turnkey Flow, let me take you back. There was a point where I was exactly where you are probably are right now. Curious, hopeful, overwhelmed, and just wanting someone to say, here's the clear next step. I didn't want to trial and error my way into this online business space. I didn't want to waste months guessing. I didn't want to figure out everything alone. And I definitely didn't want to keep spinning in circles while my goal sat on the shelf. But what I did want was a clear system, something beginner friendly, something I could actually follow, something that already works and that I could plug into, a way to start earning while still learning. Once I found that, everything changed. I experienced what I now call creating a new normal, a new way of thinking, a new way of earning, a new way of moving daily toward my goals. And now I'm passing that moment forward to you. Let's talk about the real reason people struggle with making money online. It's not because they're not smart enough. It's not because they don't have followers. It's not because they don't know tech. People stay stuck because the online world is noisy. Tons of moving parts, contradicting advice everywhere. Everyone's saying, do it my way. So what do beginners do? They hop from idea to idea, buying tools they don't know how to use, trying to build a business from scratch with zero direction. It's not your fault if that's you. It's the environment. But here's the truth. Success gets simple when you follow what already works. That's what Turnkey Flow gives you. A proven beginner-friendly path so you don't have to guess. What Turnkey Flow actually gives you. I'm going to try to explain this simply. Let's break this down in normal language. Turnkey Flow gives you a clear starting point, a simple setup, a real online income path, the skills to grow, a product that's ready to earn, steps you can follow without overwhelm, and support so you're not alone. You don't need to build everything from scratch. You don't need to create your own product on day one. You don't need everything to be perfect before you start. Turnkey Flow removes the chaos from starting online. It gives you a direct line to momentum. And the best part, you can get started with a payment plan if that's what helps you move today. Money should never block you from making more money. Supplementing or replacing your income, what's actually possible. Now let's talk about the part people secretly want to know. What can I really do with this? Can I actually supplement or replace my income? Here's the truth. This online space is exploding, and it favors everyday people who are willing to take simple steps consistently. When you plug into something like Turnkey Flow, you're not just following a course, you're stepping into a system that gives you a clear income path, a way to grow your visibility, a way to build authority, a way to attract people without begging or chasing, and a way to create real cash flow. This is how everyday people are adding new income streams. This is how people are getting their time back. This is how people are creating options and flexibility. But it only works for one type of person, the person who decides. Not the curious person, not the maybe later person, the person who says, I'm ready to create my own new normal. If that's you, Today could be the day everything pivots. The mindset shift. Give yourself the green light. Let me speak to the part of you that might still be doubting. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have it all figured out. You don't need a huge audience. You don't need to be ready. You need to start. Starting is what creates clarity. Starting is what creates confidence. Starting is what separates you from the people who watch and wish. Turnkey Flow is your starting point. Payment plans are your safety net. Momentum is your long-term reward. You get to decide to bet on yourself today. Give yourself the green light. How to move forward today? Here's what to do next. Step 1. Click the link in the description. Step 2. Choose the payment option that works for you. Step 3. Plug into the system and begin. Step 4. Follow the steps. Step 5. Build your momentum daily. You don't have to build everything. You don't have to figure everything out. You don't have to do this alone. Your only job is begin. Turnkey Flow gives you everything else. I want you to imagine something. Imagine 30 days from now, you're moving differently. You're thinking differently. You're earning differently. You've created your new normal. Imagine being proud of yourself because you finally made the decision you've been thinking about for months. Imagine looking back and saying, thank God I started. That future is real, and that future starts today. Turnkey Flow has a spot for you. Payment plans are available. Your goals are valid. Your timing is perfect. Your moment is here. Click the link below. Start Turnkey Flow. Let's build your new income stream. Give yourself the green light. I'll see you inside.